How is it going, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be installing this quick release bumper from JD Customs USA. It is with the titanium finish. I really like how these look. I can't wait to put them on. Hopefully it fixed this little gap issue that I have here on the headlight and the little bit of sagging that comes from the front bumper. And the other day I was just driving in Mexico, and sure enough, my bumper decided that it would no longer wanted to be attached. As you can see how quickly I was able to take it off just by hand. So hopefully this fixes that issue, and I'll be able to take the bumper on and off whenever I need to, just quickly. So let's get started. With the bumper now removed, we have to remove that black clip. It's being held on by those 3 bolts. We just got to take them off, but that bottom bolt has to go back on since it does stabilize your headlight, so don't forget about that. With the clip now removed, I just wanted to see how it would look like contrast to the white, and it actually looks really good. So I might be thinking about doing more titanium things, but I don't know. Only time will tell. Alright, once you have the first bolt installed, you're going to see that you're going to have a lot of play. You can either move it up or down or even tilt it front and back, so just be careful of that. But obviously you'll be doing that once you have everything already installed, like just those top 2 bolts. You'll be able to fine tune it just to make sure that your bumper's not going to sag or anything. The only thing I really had to figure out is that I needed a 10mm socket and I needed a 4mm Allen key in order to be able to install everything. But apart from that, pretty much JD Customs provides you with everything. After installing the top bolt, I just gave it a quick little tug just to make sure that it's nice and firm. Don't need it to be falling off right away before the bumper goes on. Installing the mounting points are just simple. Just put them in. Obviously don't tighten them down yet because you are going to need them to protrude a little bit since we are going to mark them, so that when I put the bumper back on, it marks on to where the masking tape is on the bumper, just so I know where to drill exactly. Once your bumper is marked as to where you have to drill, you are going to need a 3/4 inch drill bit. I actually just use the step drill bit since that's what I have, and I kind of prefer using that one since it's a little bit smoother and doesn't damage the surrounding areas as much. But again, go with whatever you need, but it's going to be a 3/4. One of the reasons it did not go for me and on the first try was because I had a PPF and I needed to just take off a little bit more on the plastic. But apart from that, if you don't have a PPF, then you shouldn't have to worry about it. After putting the back nut on the quick release button, I decided to go ahead and put it on to see how it looks like, and I thought about it for a while and I wanted to keep the first one on and just leave it at that, but I'm like, if I paid for 2, I'm gonna use 2. With the driver's side now completed, I went ahead and did the passenger side, and again, here's the final result. And there you have it. That's basically how quick and easy it is to do. It probably took about like 45 minutes to get done. I don't think it took longer than that. That's going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys were able to see how quick and easy it is to do it on your Lancer, your Ralliart, or your Evo. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. It really does help me out a lot. And on to the next one. Peace.